007 Dabbers, we're going to show you how to make a rocket stove in a blink of an eye. First job is to get some sticks. Come here, darn stick.
Step is gonna break them in half.
Like this, guys. Watch this, watch this.
And like this, guys.
You can't do it. My mouth feels strange for all that candy.
Grab it. Dude, there's ants in there, man.
There isn't any ants.
Next step, grab these 4 cinder blocks. Warning, may need help. The cinder blocks, ask your dad to knock out the end bit, like this. They need to hire Dwayne Johnson to try and lift up this cylinder brick.
This one over.
Next step, take the block with the end bit taken out next to it. Boom shakalaka! She's doing a poo, everybody. Yeah, she's doing a poo.
The air comes here and goes up down here. Step, put the sticks in here.
They're from France. So keep putting the sticks all the way far.
We're gonna light the fire starter.
Ah! Hot, 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 hot! Perfect kind of stove to cook when your power has gone out.
It's kind of the perfect stove when the power comes out. Keep on feeding it until the flame comes out. Now the stove is going. Now we're gonna cook popcorn. That's not popcorn, Daddy. It's just nuts of popcorn. So everybody in the whole entire world will see it.
Yep.
That's how you make popcorn on a rocket stove. Daddy, to make it more sweeter, to put butter on it. Will you do that?
Yep.
Good. Daddy, can I make...